Hello there! Today I'm gonna test professional cactus smoker kit. Let's open the box. Whoa! This is a top. Cool. Oh, top's top and 4 different flavor of smoke. Banner head. Cool. Yeah. And what is this? I don't know. Doesn't say anything. Unknown piece. And cleaning brush. Gracias. And I choose John Burr for tonight. I think I'm correct. Blended Scotch whiskey. This much. So there's a pecan wood, oak wood, apple wood, cherry wood. I like cherry blossom, so I'm gonna try it. Open it. No smells for now. Oh. This is my pasta tongue. How much? One pinch. Just one pinch. Count like that. One pinch. This is third pinch. Okay. And then, right. And then upside down. And push it?
10 seconds.
Oh! And then?
It says wait 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Yeah.
Oh, it's burning.
Chop. I can see the smoke though. Oh yeah, a little bit. I don't know. It's a stain of copper.
Is it still burning?
No, just burnt chips inside. Okay, let's try it on. At least we have have a charcoal here, so yeah, why not smell it and drink it? This is, maybe I'm wrong. Alright. Yeah, when bring a cup to the mouth, there's a smoke in the cup, so you can smell. Yeah, my clothes and room kinda smoky smell, so maybe I need a better nose and tongue so I can enjoy it. I don't know, because of scotches? Oh, yeah. Huh? Let's check it. It's so funny. It's hard liquor, so it's quick. This is Pran. Kinda spicy. So I think I can say it's a success. It's more like an atmosphere for me with this. Yeah, I need this teacher.